From all of us at the Sunwise Auto Group, congratulations on your purchase or lease of your new vehicle. Because we care about you and your car, we want to tell you about a few products you might consider to enhance your ownership experience. When you buy a vehicle, you're investing in more than just transportation. You're investing in peace of mind, freedom, and reliability. But what happens when the unexpected occurs? Even the most reliable vehicles can face unexpected repairs. And with the cost of advanced technology and labor, those repairs can be expensive. That's where an extended vehicle protection plan comes in. Extended vehicle protection can save you from costly, out-of-pocket expenses by covering repairs after your manufacturer's warranty expires. With extended vehicle protection, you get more than just coverage. You get peace of mind knowing that you're protected from sudden expenses that could impact your budget. We offer a number of options for extended coverage, both from the original equipment manufacturer and from our preferred partners. Plus, with the flexible plans to fit your needs and budget, you can choose the level of coverage that's right for you. Protect your investment. Protect your peace of mind. Consider an extended vehicle protection plan for your vehicle today and drive worry-free, mile after mile. To learn more, ask your finance specialist or client advisor. Drive smart, drive protected.